Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take Tube. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn on speedometer in Google Maps. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything and just follow me guys, and if you have any queries just let me know in the comment section right away. Now let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Google Maps and then just go to your profile and go all the way down until you find settings. Just go to it and then go a bit down, and then you'll find something like navigation settings. Just go over there and scroll a bit until you find something like this driving option, where you can find speedometer. So if it's turned off, just turn it on over here like this, and then when you navigate or use navigations when you are riding or driving, the speedometer will be popped up over here somewhere on your left corner. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.